Jamie here with Mynard's Leisure World, and today we're going to take a look at our 2023 Sportsman by KZ, the 260 BHSE. One of our entry-level floor plans, no slide, you've got double over double bunks, and a lot more cool things. So we're going to start it at the front here. We've got your power jack, your dual propane tanks here, space for your battery. Now coming on down campsite, you do have your KZ Tough Shield metal exterior. So this is gonna hold up a bit better than the competitors. You've got your magnetic catches on your baggage compartments. Nice unobstructed pass through there. There's a light in there. Now, as you can see, we've got your massive 14-foot awning out. It does have an adjustable arm here. Nice big grab bar on this unit. The sturdy steps just go right up into the frame of the door. Nice and handy. People love this. There's no bouncing around, and you can adjust the feet with your terrain. This unit does have a heated and enclosed underbelly as well to give you a little bit longer of a season. They have started putting on their screenshot doors, and this one is also a pet defender. So what that means is this bottom portion here is a lot stronger. It can hold up to quite a bit more. If you've got young kids too, that's a huge perk. Tandem axles, which is great. We've got your cable and TV hookup here. You've got your outdoor speakers as well as a nice LED light. And this is really brightening things up. Nice campside window. And then back here, you've even got more storage. This is under the bunks in the back. Now at the back of the unit, you've got your spare tire here. You also have your bumper for your sewer hose. Your hot water heater is back here. You've got a backup camera prep, and as you can see, each bunk has their own window. Now the reason we bring this unit in is, as you can see, for not having a slide, you get quite a bit in here. You've got your private master suite, you've got double over double bunks. You can sleep up to 8 people or more in this unit. We're gonna start out here, right off the entrance, you've got a jackknife sofa. This does make into another sleeping space, and you do have extra storage beneath, which is a great option. You've got some storage above here. Nice big speaker soundbar here by Furrion. And then coming on down into the kitchen, you've got your seamless countertops in here. And as you can see, they've got this nice countertop insert for your stainless steel sink. This is inset, so it's not sitting on top of your counter. You can just sweep things right in, not having to worry about water getting out. You've got plug-ins, 3 burner cooktop here with an oven. Bank of drawers, you've got storage under the sink for that garbage can. You've got a microwave and some upper storage as well. And another huge perk to this unit is your 12-volt fridge. So customers are loving this. This is a great option, cools down very quickly. Now this is your bench dinette. This can convert into another sleeping space. You've got a really great size window here, backing for a TV location. And I know you're probably looking at the base of these seats going, well, what about the storage? They have it. You just grab this little keyhole here, lift it up on both sides, and there's storage beneath the chairs. Okay, and now the best part of all, your double over double bunks. And you're not gonna have to worry. These are rated for 500 pounds. So if you've got a couple teenagers, if you've got another couple, this is more than sufficient there. And you've even got a little bit of storage here underneath the bottom bunk. Now in the bathroom, you've got a foot flush toilet, and they've done a nice job of putting in a shower, but with a tub, enough of a lip that your kids can bathe in there. You've got a vanity, sink, and a great size mirror. Now, this is what everybody loves about this unit is you get all of that and you get your own private sleeping space. So this is all hidden behind a sliding bypass door. You've got a little shelf on either side of the bed. This is an RV Queen, 60 by 74. You've got a shelf above here so you can fold up any shirts or sweaters that you need. And then you've got a wardrobe on either side, which is a nice option as well. And then you've got these little shelves on either side as well, like almost like a cabinet. So if you had a CPAP machine that you needed to run, that is an option for you. Underneath the bed, you have storage as well. And I'll just lift that up for you to see. Okay guys, that is a wrap on the quick tour of the 2023 Sportsman by KZ, the 260BH SE. This is a half-ton towable unit. It's one of our entry levels, as I mentioned before, but you still get that heated and enclosed underbelly. You still get lots of great features. You can sleep a lot of people in this unit. For more information or to check out all of our listings, you can see our website at minardsleisureworld.com.